Napoleon Bonaparte's cough changed the destiny of exactly 1,200 people during one of Napoleon's grand campaigns. While conversing with one of his officers in the trenches, he was seized by a fit of coughing. What seemed like an ordinary moment, in fact, initiated a tragedy. Napoleon uttered the words "Ma sacré tu," translating to "damn this cough." However, the officer across from him misunderstood these words. The officer heard the phrase as "massacres tous," meaning execute them all. In the aftermath of this sudden confusion and misinterpretation, the lives of 1,200 innocent people were lost.